The BSM Supreme combines the medium output of an overdrive pedal with a typical Blackmores sound so as to achieve Ritchie's tone immediately with most amps' bright channel independently from the Supreme's output adjustment. The drive control is there to set perfectly Ritchie's gain shadings over the last 4 decades of his rock artistic development. The basic tone is very beefy with direct bass, punching mids and uncolored treble. BSM determined to deliver only one distinctive sound and therefore to do without a tone control. Apart from that, the unit features the well-known crunching overdrive charm with little compression, just uncompromisingly tuned to Ritchie's tone. The magical tone of the Supreme Overdrive is achieved by the interaction between guitar pickup, booster and amplifier. The booster should be connected in the signal path directly behind the guitar. The Supreme is powered by a 9-volt battery or external 9-volt power supply with a current consumption of approximately 3 milliamps. Each unit is a hand-built unique with point-to-point wiring, premium quality parts and has a true bypass switching.